Today we're at the Wiehle-Reston East Metro Rail Station. This is our new bike room. The bike room is basically a parking garage for bikes. This Metro Rail Station is centrally located to the W&OD in Reston. The concept of the bike room is new to Fairfax County. As I said, this is our first one. And this basically takes bicycle parking to a whole new level. So the room is secure. It's membership only. You have to have an electronic access fob to get in. There are security cameras that monitor the room. The room provides two different types of racks, the traditional floor-mounted U-rack, and then also we have vertical racks. It has a capacity of 208 bikes. If we have more bikes, we can reconfigure to go up to 300. This room includes two fix-it stations so that bikers can do light maintenance on their bicycles. Each fix-it station includes an air pump, also basic tools, so it's a complete station, so it's here for the biker's convenience. If you want a bike to work and catch metro or catch a bus to complete your commute, you can rest at ease knowing that your bike is in a room. The room is secure, it's out of the weather. We've noticed for the past 10 years that bicycle ridership is up, particularly commuters who head to the metro rail stations and the park and ride lots. So we wanted to provide a top-notch facility for those bikers. So we're hoping that that'll encourage more people to bike and get off of the roads. It's better for the environment, it's better for you, for your health. So it's a win-win situation. If you want to find out more about the bike room, the best way is to go onto our website. It's fairfaxcounty.gov. And it's our bicycle page, and we have all the information on that page. We have our application forms. That's the best way to find out about it.